everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another watercolor painting video. It's a very beautiful, soothing, lonely and a peaceful painting. So first we have to wet the paper with water and then start painting the beautiful blue sky. First I will apply light blue to my base and then start giving it a touch of little deep blue to get the darker clouds. After the blue color dries, add a little bit of white to get the white clouds. After the paints dry, I will add 4 to 5 electric wires and a bird with the help of a black marker. Yes, our painting is ready. Hope you liked it. अगर पसंद आया तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिएगा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन बाय बाय।